Hello students, hope you are well. Once again welcome to the history class of class 12. We are continuing the first chapter, Bricks, Beats, Bones, the Harappan civilization. And today we will learn the end of the Harappan civilization and also some facts about the discovering of the Harappan civilization. Let's come to the discussion. See, Harappan civilization, which was once flourished in the places like Afghanistan, Jammu, Balochistan, Pakistan, Gujarat during 2600 to 1900 BCE, suddenly after 1900 BCE, all these things, all the proofs of the Harappan civilization started to be disappeared after 1900 BCE. You know, at this point I am telling one fact that the birth year of Jesus Christ is known as 0, is marked as 0, and after the birth of Jesus Christ we count the years by telling AD or Anno Domini, and before the birth of Jesus Christ the years we count as BC or before Christ. Here we have termed the use BCE, means before Christ era. Okay, clear? And after 1900 BCE, in case of Harappan civilization, suddenly we can see that, means we can see through the eyes of our archaeologists that the seals, beads, weights, stone, blades or any traces of Harappan civilization has been started to be disappeared. Plus there was not any new construction and also there was no proof of foreign trade. So all these points hints what? Directly the declination of the Harappan civilization. So what are the causes of the end of this civilization? There are many more causes. What are the causes? Maybe climatic change, deforestation, excessive flood, all the terms you can understand. Shifting or drying up of the river or overuse of the landscape. Do you understand? For all these reasons, our archaeologists are telling that for all these reasons, Harappan civilization started to be declined after 1900 BCE. At this point, I must tell you that I have watched a movie named as Mohenjo-daro. In this film, the Harappan civilization is portrayed so realistically. There it is shown their civilization, their farming, their trading, their clothing, their city planning, their food habits, etc. All these are shown very much realistically. And here it is shown that the cause of the declination of Mohenjo-daro civilization were that changing flow of Indus River and political chaos. Including these 2 points, there were also many more points for the declination of this civilization. So you understood after 1900 BCE how our Harappan civilization started to be declined? Okay. Now come to another point. For many a days, we are talking about Harappan civilization, their food habits, about their everything. We are talking about their city planning, their agriculture, their making of houses, etc., etc. But how did we know all these things? Means who discovered this? At first, Cunningham, who was the first Director General of ASI, he always preferred to use written words such as text and inscriptions or the accounts of the Chinese and Buddhist pilgrims who came 4th and 7th century in the 4th and 7th century in India. What is ASI? ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. So means Cunningham was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. But he did not agree that there was such an old civilization. A site like Harappa, which was not part of the itinerary of the Chinese pilgrims and was not known as an early city, did not fit very neatly within his framework of investigation. Do you understand? he was working such a framework, and he could not believe that before that any civilization can be existed in India. Once an Englishman gave him a Harappan seal. An Englishman gave a Harappan seal to whom? To Cunningham. But he could not understand how old it was. Very naturally and unsuccessfully, he tried to place it within the time frame with which he was familiar. And quite naturally, he missed the significance of Harappa. Okay, come to the next part. During the discovery of any civilization, which things are put under consideration of the archaeologist? Of course, the sites, mounds and layers. What are these? Sites means you can understand any archaeological site. Suppose any historian or any archaeologist have found any archaeological sites. Of course, after that they should find out their production, their use and discarding of materials and structure of that places. As these sites have been found and some traces of production, use and discarding of materials have been found, so there certainly people started to live at a certain time, and at that time a layer was formed there. And for their farming, for their occupational causes, there are many debris were created, and these are called mound. Understand what are called mound? And after a certain period, that place must be deserted by human being, and that deserted place and also the mounds were gone under various wind activity, water activity, soil erosion. Of course, they have to go through all this, and at that time another layer is formed, and this study of layer is called stratigraphy. Through stratigraphy, what can we understand? We can understand through stratigraphy various artifacts found in layers can be assigned to specific cultural period. By reading stratigraphy, we can understand this. Okay, and the lowest layer should be taken as the oldest and the highest layer should be taken as recent. How? Suppose this is a site and here one layer has been formed. After that one more layer has been formed, and here our archaeologists have started to excavate the place. So this layer, what they have found at first, that should be the recent or highest layer. Understood? And the lowest layer, what is at the bottom, that is known as oldest. Understood? So come to the next point. After Cunningham, in the early 20th century, means from which year to which year? Our 20th century, 1901 to 2000. Understand? 1901 to 2000. And in the early 20th century, Dayaram Sahani found many seals at Harappa. And at that time, the significance of Harappa began to be realized. At the same time, Rakhaldas Bandopadhyay, another archaeologist, found similar seals at Mohenjo-daro. Based on these findings, John Marshall, the then Director General of ASI, you know what is ASI? Archaeological Survey of India. The then Director General of ASI announced the discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world in 1924. Finally, Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1924, and they told that it was much older civilization. And after discovering this, our history has been totally changed, because Any historian or any archaeologist or the Director General of ASI could not imagine that such an old civilization could be exist in India. After discovering it, they agreed it. Understood? So student, this was our today's discussion. And of course, this was our journey in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. For many a days, we are roaming and moving at various places of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. How did you enjoy it? I hope nice. Today, we have finished our first chapter. In the next class, another chapter will be started. Be ready for one more journey. Till then, stay indoors, stay safe, and be happy. Love you all, my dear students. Bye.